Shibinta na kajingkren sngolam hak sngi basan jong dorbar mangtingka kaying dorbar thawan kejela hak arpoteri urumpang araja arpunrio halor kajingklat no Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon MP Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ubala klat no hak janmit jong khat khandai teri urumpang araja arpunrio ukonrat ke sangma u menteri rangba kejela ulapin tep bahak sngi tep yakabasa u MP ke sarkar kan Shuti ha Baroh ki Jaka bahap hakani ka Parliamentary Constituency Ukonrat ula ong bo umpat yok ka jingpen tip ka basay bahan rei ula shuyok pat na ki noyalam ka VPP ba antap ya ka basa u Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon haka arpaway terik urumpang araja arpon rio ula ong ba watla ka day ka sngi long tray yakane ka babujli yaki way pat ki sngi Shuti kumta ka sarkar kan penbana ban Shuti hakani ka sngi haki Jaka Baroh ki bahap hakani ka MP constituency.
We are yet to hear a formal announcement, but we have been informed that the funeral will most likely be held tomorrow. So, based on the information that has been given to us through, or rather information that's been passed on to us, that the funeral will be held tomorrow, as a government, we have decided that in order to pay respects to the departed soul and to his family members, and also to ensure that we are able to allow people to participate and to be there during the funeral, the government has decided that tomorrow, which was supposed to be a working day as part of the compensatory holidays, tomorrow being working day, the government has decided that we will declare holiday in the eastern range, or rather in the MP parliamentary constituency, in all the districts which fall under the Shillong MP parliamentary constituency seat, as I said, in order to pay respect to the departed soul, as well as to allow people to be part of the funeral that is most likely to be held tomorrow.
Habatin, pej bahaki ki shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru ata ukhaw kamlo ka umpnyang kadot pej ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka shop plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya